Hello everybody, and you're watching Local MTV Rider. And today we are going to Swayambhu for a short hike and to test my new camera Insta 360 X3, which will be replacing my old GoPro after it died on me. Today I'll be messing with all the modes and the setting of X3, so please bear with me. Here comes the fake drone shot. And you can get really cool looking third-person view shot on this. If you're enjoying the video, please like, share and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.